everyone! For my inquiry project, I investigated the effects of cold water pollution on the Murray-Darling River, and specifically the Murray Cod. Cold water pollution is created by the man-made locks and weirs built along the river. The water upstream of these weirs thermally stratifies in the summer, and due to the water outlets being located at the lower levels of the weirs, they release cold water downstream with as much as a 15-degree temperature difference. This unnaturally cold flow of water affects the Murray Cod. The population of the Murray Cod dramatically declined after the weirs were built, which is why I chose to investigate specifically the effects that cold water pollution has on the Murray Cod. I investigated 4 questions related to cold water pollution and its impact on the Murray Cod. Firstly, I explored how the British settlement affected the population of the Murray Cod. Through my research, I found that since the British have settled, they have built 13 locks and weirs in the Murray-Darling River. This in turn caused the population of the Murray Cod to dramatically decline from the New South Wales annual catch of being 140 tonnes in the late 1950s to the annual catch being less than 35 tonnes 10 years later. There is no recent data on the population of the Murray Cod, but from Fishways we can estimate the current population. From 1996 to 2013, only 1,025 cod passed through the Turrumbary Weir Fishways, which is far less than any other species. Why were the locks and weirs along the Murray-Darling River created was the second question I examined in my inquiry. There were 2 main reasons for their establishment. Firstly, the Murray-Darling River was an important transport route in the 1950s, and the application of locks would facilitate navigation by controlling the flow of the river. Secondly, farming and agriculture industries were expanding, and constructing weirs in the Murray-Darling River would transform the river into a reliable water source for irrigation and agriculture. Next, I explored how cold water pollution affects the Murray Cod and its natural habitat. The Murray Cod naturally spawn when the water temperature is from 16 to 20 degrees, which usually occurs in spring. However, due to cold water pollution, the water doesn't reach this temperature until around summer, delaying spawning. Cold water pollution also restricts the growth of the Murray Cod, as they grow half as long and only 1/3 of their natural weight, even after reintroduction into their natural temperature water. The Murray Cod's diet is also affected, as their natural food source is obtained from floodplains. However, due to the control of floods by using the locks and weirs, the floods are reduced in frequency, extent and duration, therefore lacking the proper nutrient plankton and aquatic insects. The final question was what is being done to mitigate cold water pollution and rectify the declining population of the Murray Cod. 2 main methods of mitigation include modifying the water outlets so they draw water from the warm surface layer, or by adding pumps to the system to move the warm surface water to the withdrawal layers at the bottom of the weir. However, some weirs have no control over cold water pollution. To rectify the declining population of the cod, fishing regulations have been put in place. There is now a 3-month close season, a minimum size limit of 50 centimetres, a catch limit of 2 per day and a possession limit of 4 to reduce mortality. As individuals, we need to abide by these fishing regulations and spread awareness of both the declined population of the Murray Cod and the knowledge that cold water pollution is the cause, so other people can help increase the population of the Murray Cod as well. As a community, it is our right to petition to the local and federal government about installing infrastructure to mitigate cold water pollution. Cold water pollution and the declined number of the Murray Cod are our problems to rectify. We need to work together to eliminate these issues so we are one step closer to providing a better world for the next generation.